Howdy friends, today is not unboxing, this one already opened the box. This is Redmi Note 7 Pro, the India's #1, the 2019 phone. Just the unboxing. This is already unboxed. Let's start. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. We need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist. Just the phone. Here the India #1 cellular brand. The Snapdragon 675, the processor. I get silicon cover, I have some user manual, I have bill, everything. I buy in the shop, 14,500 rupees I will pay, offline store. This is our phone. The color is light, the pink, not pink, is red, and different colors. This is our phone. We already bought everything. I get inside, not fast charger I get, only USB type C. This is normal charger. The fast charger 4.0 will be support this one. This is charger. Not fast charger in the box. This is our phone. The camera is main highlights the phone. 48 megapixel camera. The aperture is 1.7. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel camera. Both in the settings. There is still the Mi 10, the running this one. The stable see the Android version is Pi. I get Android Pi. Inshallah it's coming soon, it's coming Android Q update also come this. Sorry for guys, because I taking the videos the night time. Sorry for the brightness. This is our phone. Taking a picture. Look at quality, everything there. $4,000 mAh battery. I have 4.0. The quick charger support this one phone. Look, feel also good this one. Somebody see the impression will be go to iPhone X. Look like iPhone X. It's a water drop nostrils. Okay guys. Like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Let's go click. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Do not forget to share this video. You need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist, I button for more videos.